Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Here W is equal to 60 pound, center load is 240 pound, the hinge at B has been removed. The hinge at A can exert an axial thrust as well as couples about axis parallel to the x and y axis. To calculate the reactions at the hinge A and the force exerted by the remaining brace CE, we need to first of all calculate or draw the free body diagram for the beam to identify the forces. So the diagram that you can see on the display, here we have six unknowns F, E, C, R, A, X, R, A, Y, R, A, Z, M, A, Y, and M, A, Z. Okay, and the coordinates are A is equal to 004, B is equal to origin 000, C is equal to 304, D is equal to 300, E is equal to 0 minus 42, and G is equal to 1.502. Now apply the equilibrium equation. First, we need to locate each point with respect to A, which are as follow. So RCA is equal to 3I plus 0J plus 0K feet. RGA is equal to 1.5I plus 0J minus 2K feet. EC is equal to 3I plus 4J plus 2K. So let's find the magnitude of EC by taking the square root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. Give the answer 5.38 feet. And also we can calculate FEC is equal to FEC into vector EC upon magnitude EC. So the answer will be FEC divided by 5.38 into 3I plus 4J plus 2K. Now, as we know, sigma MB is equal to sigma R cross F is equal to 0. So let's take the cross product of R and F, as we are having R as well as F. So by taking the cross product, we will get the equation as MAXI plus MAYJ plus 12 upon 5.38 FECK minus 6 upon 5.38 FECJ minus 450K minus 600I is equal to 0. Now as sigma m is equal to 0 about each coordinate in the direction of each unit vector ijk, equating the coefficient of individually ijk to the 0. So first of all, let's take the coefficient I. So in this equation, we need to find out the terms which are having the I coefficient. So which are, I think it's MAX. This one is having the I coordinate, and the 600, this one is having the I coordinate. So we are going to take the sum of this I coordinates equivalent to 0. So finally we will get MAX is equal to 600 pound into feet. The same way, by combining the k coordinate, we will get FEC is equal to 201.94 pound, and by comparing the j coordinate, we will get MAY is equal to 225 pound into feet. Also, we know that the sum of forces will be 0. So we will take the individual sum in the x direction, y direction, and z direction respectively. So first of all, let's talk about the sum of forces in the x direction is equivalent to 0. So this sum will give the result RAX is equal to minus 112.5 pound. For the y direction, it gives the result RAY is equal to 150 pound. For the z direction, it gives the result RAY is equal to minus 75 pound. Now, to find out the RA, we know the equation RA is equal to RAXI, but here RAX is minus 112.5I plus RAY, so RAY is 150J plus RAZK, but RAZ is minus 75K. So this is our RA.